Hi, I want to give you a quick overview on how to use the Gateskip CRM. First, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into Gateskip. Then you're going to click on CRM. And what you're going to see here is your pipeline. You'll see 5 columns: new, contact made, proposal presented, won, and lost. Um, Up on the top row, you're going to see me. That means that's your pipeline. When you click on sent, you're going to see any lead or referral that you've sent out to another member on Gateskip and where it is in their pipeline. So in case somebody's not contacting a referral or lead that you've sent out, you're able to follow up with your referral partner and ask them to follow up with that. You'll also see here is new contact. That's when you want to create a new contact. We'll use that in a moment. Import is if you're going to import a massive amount of contacts using an Excel spreadsheet right into your CRM. Activity and stats are going to be features that we use at a later date. So let's go ahead and create a new contact. All right, you'll see that this populates right here in your new column. I'm going to open that up and I am going to add a note. Met Skippy at a networking mixer. I'm going to add that note, and right here you'll see a timestamp. Now I also want to schedule a call with Skippy. So I'm going to click here. This is schedule a new event, and what that's going to do is open up your Google Calendar. We use Google Calendar because that already has an app and it's an easy to use calendar that most people are using. So you'll just schedule it right there in your Google Calendar. And what will happen then is you will see right here in your CRM task list that you're able to log in there, and that will actually access your Google Calendar. So you'll see right on your profile page in your view that I don't have any tasks today. Thank goodness. So we'll go back to the CRM. And so I've scheduled a call with Skippy Gates, and let's say that was for next Thursday, and today is Thursday. So I've made contact with him. I've uncovered some needs and realized through talking with Skippy that he's also looking for an energy broker to help him manage his energy expenses, and he also needs a web developer to help create a new website for his company. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to send that contact with a note to another Gateskip member, one that's in my group. Marcus is a web developer. I'm going to indicate call for new website, and then I would click send. I'm not going to do that right now though. Over here, this is for leads. So we don't have an energy broker in our networking group. So we can either try to invite one or we can find one in the system and send that out to them, indicating that there's a new business opportunity. So if I did have an energy broker over here, an energy consultant, I wouldn't be able to send that out as a lead to another member. It's only if a member is not represented within your group. So let's go ahead and type in a zip code. And what will happen is this will search a 100-mile radius from the zip code you choose. For the professional you choose, I'm going to click go. And I've indicated that I want 50 coins if this lead closes, and that money only changes hands if the lead closes. So Gateskip is a pay-for-performance lead platform. All right, I see that Steve Esposito is an energy consultant. He works for New America Power in Newtown. I know him very well. So I'm going to send a note to him, call, needs an energy broker. And then I would send this to Steve. I'm not going to do that as well now because I don't want to send them a false lead or a false referral. But I'm going to go back to my CRM, and what will happen is when I click on my sent files here, I'll see where any lead or referral is in the pipeline of the member that I sent it to, so I can make sure that my referral and lead partners are following up on the business opportunities that I've sent to them. So we'll go back to my pipeline, and we're going to indicate that we've presented a proposal to Skippy, and he calls me back a couple days later and says, "Yep, you've won the deal. Great, congratulations. You'll slide it over to one." Now, if this came in as a lead for me, once I dragged it into one, if I had a partner who sent that to me as a lead, and their coin amount would then be credited to their account. Referrals are within your networking group are always free. Nobody pays for a referral within your networking group because you're hoping to exchange referrals, but you do have an opportunity to make some extra money on new business opportunities that are leads for members outside of your group. That is basically the gist of how the Gateskip CRM works. We're going to be adding additional features in the future, but if you have any questions or run into any problems on the site, especially in the CRM piece, please go down here, click to talk to one of our customer service professionals, and we'll answer your question as soon as possible. Until then, happy networking, and I'll see you on the site. Bye-bye.